What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook's login problem. So this problem occurs when you try to log in into your Facebook account and something bad happens. So by that, I mean you try to enter your login info and it says login error. So sometimes you just mistake your email or like your login details. So make sure to check that. And if it is correct and you're still not able to log in into your account, the second could be a slow internet connection. So make sure to check if your internet connection is slow or not. And if your internet connection is not slow, your login detail is correct, the next step is make sure that your Facebook account has not been banned. Because if your Facebook account is banned or is suspended, it's also going to show this error. And if none of that thing happened and you're still finding this error, the next step you need to do is you want to go to your Play Store or your App Store. And once you're in there, you want to search for Facebook. And if it says open over here, that means your Facebook is up to date. But if it says update instead of open over here, you need to update your Facebook and it should fix your problem. And even after updating your Facebook, if it still doesn't fix your problem, next step you want to go on setting. And on setting, go on general. And over here, you want to go on iPhone storage. Once you're over here, click on Facebook and then click on offload app, click on offload. This is going to offload your Facebook. Once your Facebook is offloaded, click on reinstall and it should fix your problem. Now try to log in into your Facebook account, it should be fixed. If it still doesn't fix the problem, just delete your Facebook, reinstall it again. It should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fix the problem, you need to go to a browser like Google Chrome or Safari if you're an iPhone user. You just want to go to facebook.com, log in into your Facebook account. Because if it doesn't work on the app, you can use the browser, alright? So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye-bye, everybody. Peace out.